Spiral X. We're about to play some White Noise Online. Scott shit himself.
Already?
He's a pussy. I'm just like manned up completely. Had a few beers so it didn't scare me. It's time to turn the flashlight off and do a runner. If I face this wall like through all the game or this tree,
I still get you.
You lot can be like go round and fight pieces. Skeleton guy.
That's me.
Is it? We're going to try and beat, or is it 6?
6. I found one. Can we get a scare already?
God's sake. Where is it? Over this way. One.
Right, going this way.
Let's just rush this. Rush it. Come on, let's get it done. Red. There's water over here. No, that's it.
I'm going to see if I can remember where I go this time.
Yeah, let's not backtrack on ourselves.
Just try not to.
I think we've left some other 2 people.
You turn around and have a look.
I've had a look. Yes, a little alright. I didn't shoot myself at all.
No. Oh god, there is a wall there.
Go over. Oh shit, I'm dead already.
Fuck's sake.
Damn it. Why me? I can see these people there. Do it for me, Scott.
Oh, I've just found someone.
Complete the game.
Be careful guys, he's behind me.
Why am I the first person to die? One round here.
Can you see it? Is it round the other side of that thing?
Ooh, the ghost. How did I die already? Yeah, it's near this monster thing.
I've got it. Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
So go to your left. Just gotta wait for you to die now. Final 8 pieces for me.
We've got 2. Was he just stopped for?
I think he's stuck.
It's
What?
sinking into the ground!
No, quicksand! Jump in!
Oh god.
Oh god.
Careful, pal.
Where's he gone? That's it. Speed round. You've been this way.
I haven't.
Yeah, you're going back on yourself.
Are you sure?
There's a big monster thing here, look.
No, but there's loads of them.
I'm pretty sure I've been this way.
But do you want to...
You're not alone, I'm behind you. Turn your light off. Oh, he's coming for you. Run, Scott! He's gonna get you. And to the other people to your left. That's it, right bit, right.
Does he come out of the ground now?
There's 2 torches.
There's your body.
I can't believe we died already.
I can't see no...
Just keep going. You'll see him. So he's behind you.
Oh, there he is.
Why are you wearing a skeleton clothes?
Because he's got no bad things about him, and his torch lasts longer. Right, dudes, I'll not leave you this time. Sorry, I'm terrified.
You wanna go right here.
I guess as much there's a wall there. Oh
Maybe a
my
bit
god. Don't turn that way, pal. Don't turn that way.
Come on with your afro. I like just the cameraman at the back.
Yeah. It's not bad because, well,
I think it's on outside these, isn't it?
gym.
Oh, it's here this time.
I can't hear it.
One of these statues. I'm guessing it's this way, baby.
Are they still behind me? One of them.
Yeah.
Oh, he's there.
You're all together. I think it died in like the first minute and a half.
Something like that. Don't go that way. Follow the sign. Go left.
Can't see anything for you up here.
Are we all just walking in line? Where's the third person gone?
He's quite far back. Don't think about don't leave the man behind. But I'm sure he'd probably be alright.
I think that place where we've just been is where I found the first one. So we're back here now.
Yeah, these statues look similar.
It's alright.
What's this guy doing?
I'm here to protect you.
He's scared.
Is it sinking into the ground again? Oh, God.
Oh, he left. He was too scared. Oh god. I'm scared.
Oh, God.
Oh no. You're on your own, Scott. People have chickened out. Looks like we'll have to do it
one
again.
of them things over there. Can you see it? Tape recorder.
What?
Like one of them green things.
Oh no. Can't see you around here. Just got to go around this statue here. Are we out of aid? You can do it, Scott.
Oh, God. God, have faith.
All eight.
On my own.
Yep, again. Right, there's some big hands here.
I don't need any big hands. Unless they're dragging the sun down so I can see. I need you like.
I can see.
Oh, God.
Oh god.
Best not have to go inside it. Oh, God, that's
Where the one in the last time?
Yeah, there was. Come on, just put it on the outside.
Look inside. It's not that scary, it's nice and homey.
You're trying to run in front of the door so you can scare me.
I went in over house.
There's a road in that house.
Couldn't see anything. I'm scared for you.
Which way, left or right?
I go right, I think. Dead good that I died straight away.
Yep. So am I.
It's your fault.
It's alright, I didn't want to sleep tonight anyway.
It's okay, we've got a scary film to watch after this.
Have you downloaded one?
Yeah. dead end. What about one round here?
Oh god.
Yeah, there is.
Where is it?
On his chest.
Stuck.
Far out of 8. Just keep going. We've got this.
We've got this.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm like moral support.
It's not working.
You don't want to dress for the occasion.
No, I'm dressed for a party. This is not my sort of party.
Nobody likes Party in the Woods. Just think of it as like Tea in the Park.
And what, in the park?
Tea in the Park, you know, the big event thing.
I've never been. If this is tea in the park, I'm never going. Right, so looks like have I been here before? So I need to go into the middle of the map.
But I think we need to go a bit further forwards and then.
Yeah, because we've just come from the edge.
Yeah. Like
Well, if
this
I
way.
follow this side down and then walk across into the middle and then cut through. So I think I've gone down each wall or something like that.
It's nice and peaceful, man.
Your body's there. Or somebody's body's there. I think it's your body.
Where?
Left a bit. Right there. You just stood inside of each other. Yeah, come back in your body.
section.
I think he's just as lost as I am. Please stop walking through to me like that. It's scary enough as it is.
He's behind you.
It probably is.
That's true.
Right, there's a wall there.
So go around in a circle.
Yeah, so if we go this way down, walk about halfway.
Just little dip here.
What about that little dip?
It's diagonal.
Well, I'm following the little dip.
Yeah, the road. I don't think you can see it good about yours.
No, well, I'll just follow you.
I'll lead you to safety.
Is that a tape?
I think it's crickets. There's a sign here. It's a sign saying. Absolutely jack shit. I guess we can go down this way.
Cricket's so loud. We've been that way, that's where we started off. That's where we found the first one.
Oh, your light's clicking. It's gonna go flat. You don't turn it on. That makes it worse.
I know.
Oh, walk around the wall, yeah.
We've been here. I don't think I've been down in this corner though. I think I've like turned right there. Follow that noise.
What was that noise? I'm freaking. I'm video. Go right here.
Dog's just moved in the background.
Might need to go right a bit more, I think.
Water. Is that water? I need to find a bridge. So I've not been the other side of this bridge yet.
Yeah, I'm guessing it that way. Where was it?
To the right.
Oh, God.
Not across the bridge, that's alright.
Cross the bloody bridge.
Which way am I going? I'll go left first.
How's the heart rate?
I'm keeping it under control, just about.
You just start and lose bowels. The heart rate's okay, but my bowels are very loose.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a shower after this.
I'll send somebody with a mask.
Wall there.
Like the move for you. Baby.
Wall.
Scout place.
Oh, going to what looks like a graveyard. It sounds like he's right behind me.
Yeah, he is. Turn around that rock.
Run!
There's a little breathing down your neck. You can really land a bit more. I think we're near a dead end.
God,
Yeah.
there's a wall there.
Turn right here.
I can't, there's a...
Alright. Well, that lasted long. See how quick. 1 minute. I said about 1.5 minutes.
Yeah, I found all 4.
Screams.
Yeah, you had a scream and you died.
Yeah, that was my scream. Let's see where we went. First bit.
We found them.
Dead.
Then you died.
Second bit.
I came back on myself.
Scare. Back on yourself again.
This is the point where I realised that I was just going to follow edge.
I think we're going right.
I think I went all the way to the top and then...
Another piece there. Went round in circles a few times. Piece. We didn't even say explore the right hand side of the map.
Well, that's where we're crossing over the bridge in a second, I think.
Yep, so what's the join party?
Oh, yes.
Don't know who that is.
Is it somebody who just played?
That's where you cross the bridge into.
Yeah. And that's where I died.
That's where you died. So thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.